Day 16 of 420, and today we kill the error that's wasted more of your hours than any other module not found error. Your script runs perfectly. Your coworker clones it, runs it, and it explodes. Same code, different result. The reason isn't your code, it's Python's import system, and almost nobody actually understands how it resolves a module. By the end of this video you'll have a real mental model, how sys.path gets built, what __init__.py does, absolute versus relative imports, and how to kill a circular import for good. Let's go. First, the engine. When you write import requests, Python doesn't search your whole disk. It walks an ordered list called sys.path, top to bottom, and stops at the first match. Print it imports sys, print, sys.path, and the first entry is the key one, it's the directory of the script you ran, or the current directory. That single rule explains 90% of import pain. Run the same file from two different folders, and sys.path's first entry changes, so Python finds different modules. Imports aren't magic. They're an ordered path search. Second piece, caching. The first time a module loads, Python stores it in a dictionary called sys.modules. Import it again anywhere in your program and Python returns the cached object instantly. It does not rerun the file. This is why your module-level code executes exactly once, and it's the mechanism that lets circular imports half work before they crash. Remember that, sys.path finds it, sys.modules caches it. Two dictionaries run the entire system. Now let's structure a real package. Say you're building a migration tool. Flat script becomes a folder, migrate / with cli.py, db.py, config.py, and an __init__.py. That __init__.py is what makes the folder a package and controls its public face. Inside cli.py you write an absolute import from migrate.db import run_migration, naming the full path from the package root. In __init__.py you re-export the good stuff from migrate.db import run_migration, then set __all __equals \run_migration \. Now users type from migrate import run_migration and never touch your internals. Here's the trap that catches everyone. You've got a relative import inside cli.py from .db import run_migration, with that leading dot meaning my sibling. You run python migrate /cli.py and bang, attempted relative import with no known parent package. Why? Running a file directly sets its __package __ to none, it has no parent, so the dot resolves to nothing. The fix is one character of intent, python m-migrate.cli. The m flag runs at as part of the package, sys.path points at the project root, and the relative import resolves. That flag fixes most import errors you'll ever hit. Now the boss fight, circular imports. In a fast API service, routes.py imports models.py for type hints. Models.py imports routes.py to build a URL. Python starts loading routes, jumps to models, which jumps back to routes, but routes isn't finished, so the name doesn't exist yet. Crash. Fix number 1, you only needed models for type annotations, so guard it from typing import type_checking, then if type_checking, from .models import user. That block runs for your type checker, never at runtime. The cycle's gone. Fix number 2, when you genuinely need the code, defer the import. Move it off the top of the file and into the function that uses it, def build_URL, from .routes import path_4. By the time that function actually runs, both modules are fully loaded and cached in sys.modules, so the lookup just works. And the real fix? A circular import is usually a design smell. Pull the shared logic into a third module, utils.py, that both import, and the cycle disappears entirely. Dependency inversion beats clever tricks. One last rule that saves projects. Never ever hack sys.path.insert into application code to make an import work. It's a landmine for the next person. The right move, a piproject.tom pip install e, an editable install. That registers your package on sys.path properly, everywhere, in every directory, permanently. Run from a subfolder, run from the root, it just works. Editable install once, never think about paths again. Day 16 done. The whole system is 2 dictionaries, sys.path finds modules, sys.modules caches them, and Python m plus an editable install make 90% of import errors vanish. Subscribe for day 17.